Hello guys, and welcome back to Body by Angels Fitness. I'm Angel Chantel, and if you're new here, how you doing? Can you guys do me a favor? Please go and like, share, and comment if you enjoy this video, and hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I upload. I'm a fitness novice, a Instagrammer, and a fur mommy of 4. And today what I have for you is, of course, a product haul. So I know it's been a while since I've done one of these, and I got a couple of new items in the mail today, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. And oh my god, did I get quite a bit of things. Don't worry, I bought everything with my own money. So if you don't know about this brand, it's called WomensBest. And they are on Instagram. They are a German-based health and nutrition company. And I really do enjoy them, and I've been buying their products since they first started. So WomensBest company started in 2015. And I believe at that time I was still in Hawaii. So I was just looking for a brand that of course was women's friendly, catered to someone like myself, which is a woman, and was cost effective. Now they are a bit on the pricey side currently, but when they first started they were pretty low price and moderate for what they were offering at the time. And you can also catch deals with them as well. So without further ado, I sometimes can be a chatty Cathy. Let's get on to the video. So here she is. Quite a bit of things in here. I'm really excited to open it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this is going to be an actual unboxing. And yeah, I know what I ordered in here because I ordered it myself. The company didn't send me anything. But it's a natural unboxing to let you know what I got inside. So, woo! Their boxing is heavy duty. I love their packaging. It is awesome. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, it's got 2 girls on there. I love it. It is absolutely gorgeous, packaged so well. And of course, they give you a receipt to everything. And let's see what we got. So of course, a shaker cup. I've gotten that before with them. We've got a pre-workout. Now the last time I got a pre-workout, I got the watermelon mint. But I wanted to try this one this time. It is a blueberry acai. And I'm really excited to taste it because the watermelon mint was phenomenal. Then we got some shape capsules. And I'll tell you about that in just a minute. I got 2 of those actually. So, shape. And then I wanted a collagen. And so, here you go. A collagen peptides unflavored powder. And it's Collagen Peptides Plus. So, it seems that WomensBest did a faux pas. I did get all the items mostly, but I didn't get the salt and vinegar chips now that I'm looking at everything. And it says that I wasn't charged for it. I think they were like $1.72, but it said in the total that it wasn't charged. So I'm guessing that either they didn't have them or yeah, maybe they just didn't have them. So I'm quite sad about that because I was really excited about trying them. But it's okay. We shall move on. So I was really excited to get this collagen peptide. The reason why is because I know a lot of girls speak highly of collagen, and I know it's something that is really useful for your bones, your skin, and your hair, I believe. And yeah, well, it says skin, hair, nails, bones, and joints. So, and it's 20 grams of collagen. So I'll leave some of the benefits of collagen right over here for you. And you can check that out. Pause the screen if you need to. But yeah, I can't wait to try it. But it does say that it is It doesn't have any flavoring to it, so it's an unflavored item, which is cool because that means I can mix it into my shakes or into my drinks, whatever I might need. I probably can even put it into food. I don't know if the heat would injure it, but I'll do more research on that. But here are some of the perks of, I guess, drinking collagen. It says body cells, immune system, prevents free radicals, collagen peptides, 20 grams, youthful appearance, skin, hair, and nails, skin hydration, skin elasticity, joints and bones, mix in hot or cold liquids. So now we know that we can mix in hot items. Well, it said liquids, but I'm sure you could probably put it in food too. No added sugar, which I love, and paleo friendly. Usually it'll say something about vegan on there, but I know most of their products are vegan anyway, so I don't think they needed to reiterate on that. But I just thought that was pretty cool, and I can't wait to try it. Another one of the items that I got, which I got in a tube here, are the shake pills. Now, I'll leave a little bit of information from the site over here as well. But from what I know about these pills and briefly read about them, they have a lot of fiber in them to make you feel full, so you don't have to eat as much or as often. And that's what really attracted me to them, because I do tend to overeat sometimes or eat at the wrong time. But if I feel full, then I'm a little bit more conscientious of what I'm eating. So I really thought these were a good addition to my already pretty well-rounded and vast vitamins that I take so far. So nevertheless, I know they're gonna work out, or I hope they work out, and I can't wait to try them. It does say a 30-day supply, and there's 180 pills. So I'm guessing I'm probably gonna have to take a lot of these. It says take one each with 1 to 2 glasses of water before meals in the context of an energy restricted diet contributed to weight loss. Now, I don't really see how many. It says 3 doses. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking 3 pills. No wonder there's 180 pills. 3 pills? Holy crap. I don't know what I got myself into. I'm already taking quite a bit of pills. But they're vegan and gluten-free and lactose-free. So I don't believe they will cause me any harm taking that many. But like I said, that's a lot of pills. So if you're not into that, they are capsules. So you could probably bust them open and put them in a smoothie. Or you could maybe put them in food. But I mean, that's just me. If you're not into taking pills, don't shoot the messenger. Next, we have the pre-workout. Woo! Now, this pre-workout is, I like the way I got a burst of energy with the watermelon mint one. However, I am caffeine sensitive, so I do have to be very, very careful with using pre-workouts or anything with caffeine in them. I suggest you do the same if you are also caffeine sensitive. Their pre-workout in this blueberry acai is the first time I've ever tasted this. And of course, I'll leave information right over here for you to check it out. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever tasted this flavor. And if I know the watermelon flavor, which I still have like just a tiny bit of that left, if I know that flavor and I like that flavor, then I'm guessing I'm probably going to like this flavor as well. It suggests that you can take 1 scoop with 10 to 12 ounces of cold water. Adjust water to taste. So if you want it less sweet, obviously add more water. But if you want an extreme workout level, it says add 2 scoops to 20 to 24 ounces of water. 20 to 24 ounces of water is a lot of water. I mean, I already drink a ton of water, but if I'm drinking that with a pre-workout, you know it's going to give you some energy. Some absolute crazy energy. I usually add about 1.5 just because 2 is too much for me. And if if it's not like a crazy workout, like if I'm not lifting weights or doing cardio, then I usually just take one for weightlifting just to give me an extra little perk. And side note, guys, when you take a pre-workout, I don't know about you yourself, but I get goosebumps. Is that a thing? Like, what does that mean? I'm not absolutely sure, but I really want to know how you guys feel about it. Please let me know down in the comments if it's something that you get when you drink pre-workouts as well. And since I didn't get the salt and vinegar protein chips in my package, I can't really say anything about them, but the last item I have is a shaker cup. Now, before I got a shaker cup for free in my packaging when I first started, I'm trying to open this here. I got it for free, and this time I had to pay for it. I believe because I think that was just a promo to get people to try to buy it. But also, there's something a little bit different that wasn't in my other shaker cup. It's a little greater in there with their little signature kind of heart thing right there. I thought that was pretty cool. And this one comes with a little lanyard clip holder in there. I mean, it didn't come with a lanyard, but I mean, that's pretty different, I guess. I just thought this bottle was super cute, and I'm probably going to get rid of my other pink bottles because this is the only one that I should need now. And it says, enjoy the difference. Woman's best. There's no information I need to put up about this. It's a shaker bottle. Kind of self-explanatory. And also very typical, so it's not something out of the ordinary. But of course, I can mix my shakes in here, protein and or my new collagen that I'll probably add into protein. And I feel like this, and pre-workout, but I feel like this is very user-friendly and not difficult to manage. Very small, goes up to, I think, 14 ounces. So if you're taking extra pre-workout, if you're putting this in here, you're gonna have to drink another one of these, or either just use a bigger shaker cup because this is not 10 or 20 ounces, it only goes up to 14. They do have a larger one there, but for the life of me, I don't need anything that big. And they have one also that has like a pill holder at the bottom of it too for your supplements. I once again did not need that, so I just went with a small shaker cup. Well, that's the end of all the things I have today. Thank you so much for watching me. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I upload. I don't have any creator or influencer discounts for you guys for this company. Maybe in the future. And go check them out for yourself on Instagram, and I'll share that with you guys as well. And also you can check them out on just Google or on their regular website, which is WomensBest. Thank you guys so much for watching me. I'm Angel Chantel with Body by Angels Fitness. And remember, if you want it, you gotta work for it. Bye, guys.